First of all, pick up a .4 wire and roll it around a cylinder like a pen. Tie it firmly. If needed, use chain nose pliers to fasten it, especially if your wire is not soft tie. Do this again and again. With every row, fasten every ring you've made. After doing that 6 times, separate it and open rings like this, and rotate them as well. Turn one of them 90 degrees so that you would have a 5-leaf flower. Use chain nose pliers to form every leaf. And use a round shape to concave every leaf. Put it on a piece of something like paste to hold it properly. Then use nail polish of any color you desire to fill every leaf. Pay attention how to move it. Nail polish brush should embrace the whole leaf border. Also, the nail polish should be a little dense itself.